baby lion's back. It's very windy today, but I want to give you a good close-up of what baby lion's back's really like. We're gonna start here at the very beginning. We got some crazy rocks here at the bottom, just enough to shake the change out of your pockets, maybe scratch your undersides a little bit. And from there, we'll hit the big hill. You're gonna hear a lot of rattles in today's video because I have my toolboxes in the back. And I don't even think they're closed. Now, you definitely want to have it up in AHC high for this first part. This is like driving on the freaking surface of Mars. Excited to show you guys how steep this is. All right, so we're gonna hit the big hill before we block traffic and see what's on the other side, which will be a big, wet, muddy bathtub. Oh, now I'm in a cockpit, headed for Mars. Okay, so I rolled it back down the hill because I couldn't get my seatbelt on because they lock up when you're at extreme angles. Pop it neutral, 4 low, 2 low, locking differentials on. Let's ride. Okay, what you're seeing is what I'm seeing. You can see a tip of the big old hood. I'm keeping my throttle engaged because it does want to hop and skip a little bit. I am not aired down, which is definitely not helping things. When air down your tire is about 20, but like I said earlier, I'm a little lazy today. So we made it. Rocket's a very good sport. Veteran off-roader, been doing it since he was born. He's allowing me to drive with one hand on the wheel as I'm on this wild little bridge that is like, not necessarily death, but maybe jaws of life to get me out if something goes wrong. I guess it could be death if something hit me in the head, like all the crap I have in the back of the car right now. But we won't think about that. We're still in AHC high. It's very windy today. It's not windy enough to blow you off of a trail, but you know, it feels a little wilder for sure. There's a lot of little puddles up here, which is cool. Now, I don't know how much rain Moab's gotten lately. So, you know, there's a big old pool at the bottom of Baby Lion's back, and I don't know how deep it is. There's a major winter storm coming in tonight. It hits at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then it's gonna go from like 6 p.m. all the way overnight. And these prevailing winds are definitely telling me it's gonna be a big one. Okay, we just crested the top of Baby Lion's back. It's part of the roller coaster vibe. All you gotta do if you've never been here before is just follow the black tire marks. Okay, we're getting to my favorite part. This obstacle, this entire trail, Baby Lion's back, is bang for the buck, right? It costs $5 to get into this place. You get a ridiculously steep hill at the very beginning, and if you've never driven something like that, you're already like, wow, this is like the coolest thing I've ever done in my life. But then on the backside, you get an equally steep hill, although it's probably about half as tall. Oops, better keep my eye on the road. And I lost my concentration. So you saw what I just saw? A little concentration lost. It's okay, we got it. Okay, so as you can see, we're going down. Well, you can't see, you now see a stream, you don't see a road. And that is because the trail is so steep, it just looks like you're about to fall off a cliff. Okay, as you can see, it's a very steep drop into a giant, beautiful mud puddle. Now, there's something to remember. You want to veer over here. You want to veer on this side. I've done that side. I've done that side in my Lexus. And it's a big-ass loud bump in the night when you come down through that little hole you forget about. So come this way. Okay, let's go drive it and see what happens. Whoa. That shot almost cost me a cell phone. Check out how close this got. My tripod was here. And my tripod is a rock with duct tape around it. As you can see. Alright. I've been debating whether or not I should go back up the hill just to show you guys it can be done. The like smart person inside me says don't do it because if something goes wrong, I gotta tow a camper home tomorrow. Well, obviously I'm gonna fucking do it. I'm talking about it. I'm gonna do it. Let's just go. So if you're ever in the event that you get here and it's rained a lot, let's look at the depths for a second, okay? You see how much that rock is showing? You see the shrubs that are showing? Get a good picture for this because this water can get really high. And as you see in my past videos, which I'll point out to you right here, it can get real sketchy when the water goes inside your car. So sometimes you gotta go out the way you came in. We're gonna skip that today. You gotta show your fails, right? You gotta show your fails in life. That was mine. This is the biggest damn GMC Suburban I've ever seen on this trail. I cannot wait to show y'all it going down. Thank you for watching Texas Lexus. Here's to 2021 and beyond. We hope to see all of y'all having a great time on the trails.